Hello students, welcome you all on my channel. As you are watching the topic algae, I'm pronunciating algae in American English. We are calling algae, but I prefer algae. The term algae is derived from Latin word alga, means seaweeds. Students, this topic is related to botany, and my channel is totally will be based on botany. So whatever the questions related to the particular topic will be, you may ask me. In description there will be another channel, and that channel is belonging to my nephew. If you are interested, you may like and watch that channel also. See, students, it is a very important topic in the Plantae kingdom. As you know, according to R.H. Whitaker, he classified 5 kingdom system of classifications. They were Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae, and Kingdom Animalia. In this video, we will only focus on Kingdom Plantae's first division. So, it's a basic. As you know, here we are studying algae. Next it will be Bryophyta, then Pteridophyta, then Gymnosperm, then Angiosperm. It is the first division. They all are divisions of Kingdom Plantae. Here we are with algae. See, what are the differences in every divisions, that will be clear soon. The first 3 divisions, algae, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, they are cryptogams. Cryptogams, that is to say, their sex organs are hidden. They have hidden sex organ, and they reproduce through spores. The 2 ones, they are phanerogams. Phanerogams means they have exposed sex organs. Their sex organs are exposed. We can see them by our naked eyes. In this also, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm are vascular plants. That is to say, they are known as Tracheophyta. One more important thing I want to tell you about the words I'm using. See, in biology, all the words are either derived from Latin or Greek word. Whatever the languages we are using, this is the medium for explanation. Why Latin or Greek language? Because Latin or Greek language is a dead language, and there is no possibility of change in future. For instance, our English will get changed after 1,000 years, or maybe it will be more easier than this time. So that's why they are derived from Latin, that after 1,000 years after, the meaning will be unchanged. So the term, I told you, algae, alga, it is derived from Latin word. Alga means seaweeds. And the term phyton here, phyta, I have used the term phyta here also. Phyton means plants. See, so they are tracheophyta, means they have vascular bundle. So they are more advanced as compared to the upper two divisions. Here, in Bryophyta and Pteridophyta, two things are common, and the common things are they reproduce in the presence of water. In sexual reproduction, they require water for perpetuation of their life. So water is essential for fertilization. Okay, just I'm going to erase this and I'm going to focus on only diesel algae. In Plantae kingdom, only given 3 names of algae which are in your syllabus. They were number 1, Chlorophyceae. Number 2, Phaeophyceae. Number 3, Rhodophyceae. This is the green algae. Brown algae. Red algae. See, you may call it algae or algae, it's your choice, but the correct pronunciation is algae. Here, according to R.H. Whitaker, he classified algae into 3 classes, namely which are included in the Plantae. They are, the characteristic of algae are, they are unicellular or multicellular. They are cryptogams, that is to say, the sex organs are hidden, we cannot see. They are freshwater, brackish water dwellers or sea water dwellers. Most of the algae are marine in nature. For instance, if you will focus on Phaeophyceae, the brown algae, they are gigantic algae in the sea and they are known as kelps. Kelps. They are so much gigantic that it can compete with the height of angiosperm. But what are the common things? They are devoid of leaves, stem and roots. That's why they are the other name of algae is Halophyta. Halophyta means the plants of which lack definite shoot system and root system. So they don't have stem, root or leaves. You got it? Now the second and most important point related to the algae. They have, all the algae possess one common pigment. The common pigment is chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A is common in Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. The other pigment in Chlorophyceae, chlorophyll A and B. A and B is common. In Phaeophyceae, chlorophyll A and C is common. Focus here. And in Rhodophyceae, chlorophyll A and D. So what are the common pigments? Chlorophyll pigments are A and A. And the other pigment which are present in Chlorophyceae, B, is not present in Phaeophyceae or Rhodophyceae. They have color on the basis of accessory pigments also. The chlorophyte, the name derived chloro, means they are green like other plants, totally green. They are phaeophyte, means they are brown. And see, with examples, the example of chlorophyte is Cara, Cara, Urothrix, Ulfa, Chlamydomonas. They are the example of chlorophyte. They are green algae. And students, don't get confused with the term blue-green algae. They are cyanophyceae. They are cyanophyceae. They are bacteria. They are bacteria. They are prokaryotes. The prokaryotes which are able to photosynthesize. So that's why they are known as cyanophyceae, cyanobacteria. They are known as cyanobacteria. They are prokaryotes. Don't include cyanophyceae in heading of algae. It's clear. Now the second and most important thing I'm going to tell you about the phaeophyceae is they are brown in color because of the presence of chlorophyll A and C. The accessory pigment they contain C-phycocyanin. C-phycocyanin. C-phycocyanin and C-phyco. Phycoerythrin. That's why their color is brown in color. And the red algae, instead of this, they possess or phycoerythrin. That's why they have already chlorophyll D, so they show a red color. For instance, the example of brown algae are laminaria, fucus, sargassum. You student, you must have heard about the sea name Sargasso Sea. Sargasso, double S O, Sargasso Sea. This Sargasso Sea is belonging to Caribbean belt, Caribbean region. West Indians islands are there where you can find this sea. This sea name is on the behalf of Sargassum. The brown algae is present here in huge quantity. The red algae example is Gelidium, Siphonia, Batracho, Spermum, etc. Now come to the topic about how they reproduce. They reproduce through vegetative method, through asexual method, and through sexual method. First of all, I want to discuss about the mode of their reproduction. And the first mode of reproduction is vegetative mode. Modes of reproduction. The first one is a vegetative method. Vegetative method. The second one is asexual method. And the third one is sexual method. See, student, all the types of reproductions are here. In vegetative reproduction, as you know, the body fragments, especially like budding fragments or elongated part, detach itself and regrow or regenerates. This type of process are included in vegetative method. Asexual reproduction, like zoospores. Zoospore, don't confuse with the term spore. Spore is not haploid here. Zoospore, a planospore. Through akineids, through diplospores, they reproduce asexually. In sexual method, always remember the sexual method is very vital in algae. They reproduce through 3 modes in sexual methods. 3 types of sexual methods are there. The first one is isogamy. Anisogamy. And where is the stool? Anisogamy and oogamy. When the both gametes are similar in morphology, that is to say size, shape or structure, then it is called isogametes. For instance, just I am making the diagram to clear. Suppose that 2 types of gametes and they are haploid in nature, and they are identical in morphology, then such type of union is termed as isogamy. Gamos, iso means alike, gamos means marriage, or simply you are calling marriage. Means union of 2 such identical gametes is termed as isogamy. Here, 2 different gametes are here. One is, this small is known as microgamete and larger one is known as megagametes. When such gametes are uniting together to form zygote, then such type of union is called anisogamy. Here, one important thing is, it's very important, in anisogamy, both the gametes may or may not be motile. Here, the same thing is here. 2 dissimilar types of gametes are here. 2 dissimilar types of gametes are here. And only one of the gamete will be motile, that is to say, the male gamete. The microgamete will be always motile and other gamete will remain stationary, or it will remain stationary. It will not show any motility. So it's all about the algae here. In my next video, I will discuss its life cycle and the remaining portion of the algae. Till then, students, have a nice day. See you.